merong libro na sinulat si Daniel Kahneman entitled Thinking Fast and Slow. No? So, according to him, meron tayong dalawang system of thinking. Yung system 1 ay thinking fast. At yan yung ginagamit natin 95% of the time. No? Fast, automatic, unconscious. Anong unconscious? Hindi natin masyadong pinag-iisipan. Okay? Which is, helpful sa atin yun kasi alam naman pag-isipan mo pa kung anong gagawin mo pagkagising mo, di ba? Automatic naman yun, di ba? Ang una mong gagawin pagkagising mo ay idilat ang mata, di ba? Tapos ang sabi nila, mag-check ng phone. So you already have a sequence for your life, no? So yan. Intuitive yung pag-solve natin ng problema at madalas galing sa ating experience. So, we jump to conclusion, we make quick decisions. So, maganda yan, very efficient. Unfortunately, it's also error-prone. So, on average, 5% of the time, we think slow. Okay? Slow, effortful, conscious. You analyze the situation, you use logic and reasoning, and you take effort to control your impulses, no? Pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo na husgahan agad ang sitwasyon. And that happens when we recognize na hindi tayo pamilyar dun sa problema, that we need to investigate the problem in order to come up with a logical solution.